Part 3 Pose 8 Seated Twist. Sit with your legs crossed, twist your torso to the right, place your right hand on the outside of your left knee. Hold for 5 breaths, switch sides. Pose 9 Bridge Pose. Lie on your back, knees bent, lift your hips off the ground, squeeze your glutes, hold for 5 breaths. Pose 10 Superman Pose. Lie on your stomach, arms extended, lift your arms, legs on and chest off the ground, hold for 5 breaths. Fan relaxation, lie on your back, arms and legs relaxed, close your eyes, focus on your breath, allow your body to release all tension, your mind to calm. Stay for 10 breaths and slowly open your eyes when you are ready. Thanks for practicing with me. Remember to engaging your core in every pose and listen to your body. Subscribe for more yoga practice and wellness tips.